Good morning and happy Easter to my Janess family. I just wanted to say, take a couple seconds here and wish you all a great Easter. Have a great day with your friends, family, and your church. And, remember what today is all about. And I'm just heading out to the gym here, guys. So sorry, this is in my car. But I didn't want to miss the opportunity to wish you happy Easter here first thing in the morning. And then also on the business side, use today as a great day just to reach out and say happy Easter to those people who are on your list that you haven't talked to. I have people on my list that I haven't talked to in a year or two, so it'd be a little strange for me to just come out to them and talk to them about Janess, the product, the business, the opportunity, etc. But today I'm going to reach out to them and just say, hey, happy Easter to you and your family. And then that will start to strike up a conversation between us and re-spark that relationship. So just food for thought, guys. Have an amazing day. I'm off to break a sweat. Jamie, yes, I am doing back-to-back workouts today, Jamie. You will be proud of me. All right, I'll talk to you guys later. Happy Easter. Have an amazing day. Love you guys.